Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade guava jam. Begin by washing and chopping ripe guavas, removing any tough stems. Combine chopped guava, sugar, and lemon juice in a heavy pot. Stir over low heat until sugar dissolves, then increase to a gentle boil while skimming foam. Maintain medium heat and stir frequently to prevent sticking and ensure even cooking for a silky, spreadable jam. Once your guava mixture simmers, keep a steady bubble and stir to prevent scorching. Reduce heat if the mixture spats, and use a potato masher for a chunkier jam or a utensil to smooth it. Watch for the color to deepen and the aroma to sweeten, which signals nearing readiness. Skim foam regularly and test for set using a chilled plate, adjusting cooking time to reach your preferred texture. After sterilizing jars, ladle hot guava jam carefully to avoid burns and leave a 1/4 inch headspace. Wipe rims, apply lids, and process jars in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes to ensure a proper vacuum seal. Cool jars undisturbed on a towel and check lids for a concave seal. Store sealed jars in a cool, dark place and refrigerate after opening to keep flavor and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.